and welcome. This is my Stargazer application, and my name is Chris Fortin. Um, I created this project for ASL using PHP. The framework I used was CodeIgniter, a very lightweight MVC framework for PHP. The application that I created was a community-based science and research and space database blog type website where scientists and students and astronomers alike can come and contribute to the knowledge base of this app. So I'm going to take you through some of the pages and show you what I can do with it. So this is the homepage, the welcome. After I show you the app, I'm going to run through the code and let you see what's going on there. So from here, it just gives a little brief summary about what the app is about, a video about some fascinating space discoveries. You can create an article straight from the homepage. I'll click on that later, but I'll show you the home or the about page right now. So I have an image slider here. I use the jQuery for the effect here. I have some text down here about what the application is about and what our desires are, or the outcome of this application. Here's some popular news articles about the about space and science. It's kind of the theme of it, of what I want you to post about. If you would like to view the article, you can click on it and view the article alone. So if it's too long or you would like to read it by itself, you can click on these. You go to the articles section, and this is where you can view or create articles about space or science news. And I also have this contact page here where you can send an email to the developer or the creator of this app, me, and you can eventually see where my business is located, Burlington, Vermont. So yeah, I will create a article here. So say I wanted to talk about the SpaceX Falcon pre-launch, which was happening yesterday. Or let's learn something else. How about this? So it's a cool piece of news. Happened in Paris. Might want to reach those eventually. This could be an international application. So let's see. I just like what I saw there. I could let's say take this and this. Looks good. Think it's interesting. Let other people read up on it. So all right, post the thing. Great, success. I've posted. I can either go to the home page or view the post. I will go view the post. So here we are. There it is. Successful launch. And if I open up my database here, as you can see, it's not there yet. If I click refresh, and there it is. So yeah, you can view the article, and here it is again. Easier to read for some people. And yeah, so I'll run through my code now, and as you can see, I have the CodeIgniter application. Let me just close these all out. All right, the CodeIgniter folder holding my application directory, my assets, where I keep my images, my CSS and JavaScript, or my Bootstrap files and jQuery files. I use Bootstrap to style the app. It was very lightweight efficient way of making the site responsive. I did not show you that, did I? All the pages are responsive. They look nice and feel very clean on a website, on your phone, I mean. Very easy to navigate through and click on. I did not show you this as well. You could fill out the information here and send an email to me, developer. Then you click submit and I'll open this up. Hey, keep all the information here. It'll nicely organize the setup so that I can see what exactly they typed here. And alright, I'm not going to do that because I don't want to get in that email. So I'm going to run through the code right now, see what I have. So I use MySQL driver as the connection to the database, MySQL, excuse me. I could have used PDO, but I decided that the database driver was more efficient for what I needed. It worked, so that's what I used. I'm going to show you the model and the views and the controllers now. I'll start out with the controllers. This is the functionality for the news articles, loading the correct pages, getting the news articles to show up using slugs, which is just a ID for the articles so I can distinguish which one is which. For when I want to create a new article, you would be directed to these pages. And the page.php brings me to the adds the correct pages directory so that I can view the right page. I will go over the models now. The news model for inserting into the database, loading the database, getting the information so that it displays on the page. The views for creating, very straightforward here, where you can just view the page client side. So that was the news section for the news articles and posting and viewing the article, and this is the pages for the home, about, and contact. The design of this site was heavily influenced on my wireframe in week 1. It was a very clean and simplistic design that I tried to mimic for the entire app. I did use inlines or a style sheet in my header PHP. I did not put it into the assets folder because I was having problems getting the CSS to work correctly inside the CSS file, inside the assets folder. So I decided to put it inside my header where it would be accessed by every page. And here's my JavaScript script for the map that I used, and the navigation and header, which are on every page. So yes, that was my application. I spent 4 weeks creating it. It's a stargazer app for community-driven scientists and students looking to share and explore and learn about space and science. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching, and have a great night.